Hey everyone, today I'm from Brookswood PowerWashing. We arrived at a job site and today we're cleaning up some siding today. This siding is a little bit oxidized. The siding is about 27 years old. We'll be using a very special host mix that will remove the algae and also prevent it from going back again. Second part of this project is cleaning off this T-Rex composite deck. We're going to be using very light pressure, but it should come out looking really nice. I finished up. The side that's green is nice and clear,